Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our dear guests. A question from our subscriber Olga.
Hello, doctor.
I've heard that spices like turmeric can be used in treating a cold. Thank you very much, Olga, for your question. Let me tell you this. You can easily catch a cold any time of year. There are many factors to blame for that, but let's not get into the details of how colds develop right now. Many illnesses, or more precisely acute respiratory infections, ARI for short, come with very unpleasant symptoms: nasal congestion, cough, and mucus in the chest, throat, and bronchi. Now, our household spice turmeric contains curcumin. It's a substance with powerful antibacterial and antiseptic properties. It's practically an antibiotic. The turmeric root is very effective at eliminating bacteria and clearing mucus. You'll need 1 cup of warm water, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric. Here's how to prepare it. Mix all the ingredients together and gargle several times a day for a few minutes each time. It's a very simple method that will quickly clear mucus and treat any respiratory infection. Here's another question, this time from our subscriber Mikhail.
Hello, dear doctor.
I've been watching your very helpful channel for a long time, at least, that's how I see it. Thank you so much, Mikhail. I do take care of my health, but I'm a very anxious person. Any change in how I feel or the slightest symptom sends me into a panic. Could you tell me if there are any warning signs that might indicate cancer developing in the body? What a question from Mikhail. Well, broadly speaking, warning signs that could point to cancer include unexplained weight loss, losing 3 to 5 kilograms or more in a short period of time. Without dieting or increased physical activity, it could indicate cancer of the pancreas, stomach, lungs, or thyroid gland. Or really just cancer in general, regardless of its location. The numbers vary. For some people, even 2 to 3 kilograms is already significant. Prolonged fever and night sweats. A persistent temperature of 37.2 to 37.3, rarely 38, with no signs or symptoms of a cold. That's a very possible indicator of lymphoma or leukemia. Unusual bleeding. Or rather, I'd say not full-on bleeding, but traces of blood. For example, blood in the urine. The kidneys and bladder should be checked. Blood in the stool most likely points to the large intestine, rectum, or hemorrhoids. Well, let's hope it's just hemorrhoids. In women, bleeding outside of menstruation. The uterus, endometrium, coughing up blood points to the lungs. Persistent pain without an obvious cause, in the head, bones, back, or abdomen, if the pain doesn't go away for weeks. It's important not to just quietly pop ibuprofen in the kitchen and put up with it, but to get checked. Persistent fatigue. It doesn't go away even after rest. And it may be linked to anemia, intoxication, or metabolic disorders. It may be, or it may not be. If symptoms persist for more than 2 to 3 weeks and can't be explained by an obvious cause, say an injury, stress, or infection, you need to see a doctor right away. Whether or not there's an apparent explanation, It's absolutely essential to get checked and find out what's going on. If you notice any of these signs, don't put it off. Go get examined as soon as possible. The earlier we find the cause, the easier it is to deal with it.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay with us.